Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Let's start our revision in social. Okay, let's start our three lessons. As you know, we have three lessons in our revision. Number one, how to draw and read a map. Number two, read a calendar. Number three, use the globe. One more time, we have three lessons. How to draw and read a map, read a calendar, use the globe. Okay, let's start with our first lesson, which is how to draw and read a map. So, what is the meaning of a map? A map is a drawing that shows how a place looks from above. A map is a drawing that shows how a place looks from above. So, maps are important or no? Of course, maps are very important because it helps you to find places. So, maps are very important because it helps you to find places. Maps often use colors and symbols to show different kinds of lands and bodies of water. So, maps use colors, sometimes they use symbols to show different kinds of lands and bodies of water. Okay, now let's move to the meaning of symbols and a map key. What is the meaning of symbols and a map key? Number one, symbols. Symbols are drawings that used to stand for something else. So symbols are drawing that used to stand for something else. And a map key shows you how to read the map. A map key shows you how to read the map. Okay, parts of a map. Parts of a map. To use the map, first learn the four directions. We have four main directions. We have four main directions. They are east, west, north, and south. Okay, maps may also use the compass rose with all four directions. So, what is the meaning of a compass? A compass is used to show directions. A compass is used to show directions. Now, if you want to find different kinds of maps, you can use the atlas. If you want to find different kinds of maps, you can use the atlas. So, what is the meaning of the word atlas? The word atlas is a collection of maps. It's a collection of maps of the different places and countries of the world. So, the word atlas is a collection of maps of the different places and countries of the world. Now let's move to our next lesson, which is read a calendar. Read a calendar. What is the meaning of a calendar? As you see in this picture, a calendar is a chart that shows the days, weeks, and the months of the year. A calendar is a chart that shows the days, weeks, and the months of the year. There are daily calendar, weekly calendar, and monthly calendar. We have daily calendar, weekly calendar, and monthly calendar. We also have four seasons in a year. So, what is the meaning of season? A season is one of the four parts of the year. A season is one of the four parts of the year. Okay, number one, we have summer. Summer is the hot time of the year. It is very hot and dry. We can have vacation and also travel in summer. We wear light cloth made of cotton in summer. Okay. Number two, we have winter. Winter is the cold time of the year. It is very cold and sometimes snow falls in winter. We wear heavy cloth in winter. Number 3, spring. Spring comes after winter and before summer. Spring comes after winter and before summer. It is the beautiful time of the year when flowers bloom and new leaves appear on plants. Number 4, we have fall, and sometimes we call it autumn. Fall comes after summer and before winter. Fall comes after summer and before winter. Leaves fall during this time, and some leaves change their color to become yellow. Now let's move to the last lesson, which is use the globe. Use the globe. What is the meaning of the globe? The globe is a model of our planet, the Earth. We can see continents and oceans on the globe. Okay, so the globe is the model of our planet, the Earth. So what is the meaning of the Earth? The Earth is a place that we are living in. The Earth is a place that we are living in. The Earth has North Pole and South Pole. The line drawn halfway between the two poles is called the equator. The line between the two poles is called the equator. So what is the meaning of the equator? The equator is the line divided the Earth into halves. The equator is a line that divided the Earth into halves. Okay, so how many continents and oceans in the world? How many continents and oceans in the world? First, let me explain what is the meaning of the continent. A continent is a large land area. A continent is a large land area. Each continent consists of many countries. Each continent consists of many countries. So, how many continents we have? We have 7 continents in the world. We have 7 continents in the world. Okay, we have North of America, South of America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So we have 7 continents. Antarctica is a continent with no countries. Antarctica is a continent with no countries because it's a frozen land, nobody lives there. Because it's a frozen land, nobody lives there. Okay, now let's move to the meaning of the ocean. What is the meaning of the ocean? The ocean is a large body of salty water. The ocean is a large body of salty water. So, which is bigger, the ocean or the sea? Yes, excellent. The ocean is larger than the sea. There are 5 oceans in the world. There are 5 oceans in the world. So we said we have 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. What are these 5 oceans? We have number 1, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Okay? Now let's start our revision. Question number 1. Choose the correct word from the box to complete the following sentences. Okay, we have here some words in the box. Number 1, World Atlas. Number 2, Map Key. Samples, Calendar, Fall, Equator, Poles, 12, Light. Okay, number 1, A space shows how to read a map. Yes, it's a map key. Number 2, the space divides the earth into halves. The space divides the earth into halves. Excellent. The equator. Number 3, a space shows days, weeks, and months of the year. A space shows days, weeks, and months of the year. Excellent. A calendar. Number 4, the earth has two space. The earth has two space. Yes, 2 poles. Okay, number 5, the space is the book of maps. The space is the book of maps. Excellent, the world atlas. Number 6, space are drawings that stand for something else. Space are drawings that stand for something else. Yes, excellent. Samples. Number 7, space comes after summer and before winter. Comes after summer and before winter. Yes, it's fall. Number 8, there are space months in the year. There are space months in the year. How many months in the year? Yes, 12. We have 12 months in the year. Number 9, people wear space cloth in summer. People wear space cloth in summer. Yes, they wear light cloth in summer. Now let's move to question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Okay, number 1, a space shows the directions. The compass or symbols or poles show the directions. Yes, it's a compass. Number 2, there are days in the week. There are space days in the week. 5 days or 7 or 6. Yes, we have 7 days in the week. Okay, number 3, we wear heavy clothes in spring, summer, or winter. Yes, we wear heavy clothes in winter. Number 4, we have 4 space in the year. We have 4 space in the year. 4 seasons or 4 weeks or 4 months in the year. Yes, excellent. We have 4 seasons. Number 5, space is the model of Earth. Space is the model of Earth. Map, globe, or calendar. Yes, it's a globe. Globe is the model of Earth. Number 6, space includes days, weeks, and months. Includes days, weeks, and months. Seasons, calendar, equator. Yes, it's a calendar. Number 7, there are space continents in the world. How many continents we have in the world? 7, 3, or 2? Yes, 7. Okay, number 8 is one of the 4 directions. Is one of the 4 directions. August, summer, or east? Yes, east is one of the 4 directions. Question number 3, right, true, or false? Okay, number 1, a map shows how a place looks from above. A map shows how a place looks from above. Yes, excellent, it's true. Number 2, there are 10 months in the year. There are 10 months in the year. False, excellent. Number 3, the seasons are north, south, east, and west. The seasons are north, south, east, and west. False, excellent. Number 4, December is the last month in the year. December is the last month in the year. True or false? Yes, it's true. Okay, number 5, a continent is a large area of land. A continent is a large area of land. Yes, it's true. Okay, number 6. The hottest time of the year is called winter. The hottest time of the year is called winter. No, it's not winter. It is summer, so it will be false. Okay, number 7. Antarctica is a frozen continent. Antarctica is a frozen continent. Yes, excellent. It is true. Question number 4. Match to complete the following sentences. Number 1, we can't drink the water. Yes, excellent. From the ocean. Number 2, nobody lives in Antarctica. Excellent, because it's a frozen land. Number 3, a season is one of the 4 parts of the year. Excellent, is one of the 4 parts of the year. Number 4, a continent consists of, yes, many countries. Number 5, the Earth has, yes, North Pole and South Pole. Question number 5, write each direction in the suitable place. We have here in the box north, south, east, west. So you will start east, west, north, and south. The last question, write the correct word from the box that names each picture. We have here in the box map, key, map, globe, compass. The first picture is a, yes, excellent, it's a map. Okay, let's move to the next one. It's a, yes, the second picture is a map key. Number 3 is it's a picture of the globe. The last picture is yes, it's a compass.